Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another episode of Pan the Organizer. So today, an exciting video because I'll be presenting what I believe to be the best entry-level polisher that can actually also be used by enthusiasts or professionals because it's that powerful and that efficient, and it's at a super low price. So this is MaxShine. It's a 15mm long throw dual action polisher. It's called the Master M15. So you're gonna see this guy in action in this video. I'm gonna tell you all about the cool features and other awesome MaxShine products and equipment. So without further ado, stay tuned. Let's go ahead and start the show. So hey guys, I'm Pan, welcome to the show. I hope you guys are having a great day. So today I'm presenting an amazing new polisher that's from MaxShine, and it's called the MaxShine Master M15. So it's a 15mm long throw dual action polisher. So it's priced as an entry-level polisher, but competes with the big boys. If you guys have been following my channel, you know that I personally have been detailing for over 20 years now at a very high level, and my personal dual action polishers are some high-end ones from Rupes, such as my Rupes LHR 15 Mark II DA polisher, and one from Germany. This is my Flex 3401 dual action polisher. This is a direct drive motor. So my viewers have been asking me if there are any less expensive alternatives on the market because these two polishers are high performance, but they're very, very costly. So at a price of only $168 US, this is crazy. MaxShine has offered this polisher. So this is a Chinese company and they're the fabricators, hence why they can afford the super low price, because you buy it directly from the manufacturer of the polisher itself. So they're available directly on Amazon in the US. By the way, I'll drop the links in the description down below for you guys to check these products out. Very, very simple. And you can also them if you have Amazon Prime, so you're gonna get them quickly to your house. And they also ship around the world if you guys are interested or live in other countries. So essentially this is the Master M15. So as I said, this is a 15mm long throw dual action polisher. So a 15mm orbit that's gonna make the thing work very efficiently. It has a very powerful motor. So we're talking about 900 watts or 7.5 amps. So this is just as powerful almost as my two other super expensive polishers. So it will get the job done very well. Also, the cool thing about this, it transfers all that energy and power very well to the pad and to the paint. It has very little vibration, so the efficiency and smoothness of operation is very, very good. It has a soft start feature, so the pad, when you're pressing the trigger, it doesn't automatically go to the top speed. It gradually goes up and ramps up to your top speed, so that's a nice feature. Here they have a speed dial control on the lower portion, so it has 6 speeds, so 6 all the way up to 1. So I typically like to spread the polish on the vehicle in speed number 2. And then once that's spread up, I go ahead and do the polishing work between speeds 5 and 6. The ergonomics are very well. So you get a rubber grip here up top for your hand, and you also get another rubber grip here on the handle. So ergonomically speaking, it's a very compact design, very sleek looking, if you look at this. And so it has a Velcro backing plate with some holes here for ventilation. You can remove the backing plate if you want a bigger one here with a tool that's supplied in the box. And oh, by the way, the cord is pretty long for the cord that comes with it. So essentially it's a 13-foot cord that's 4 meters long. So that's pretty long. And also the machine is very sturdy, very well built. It's pretty quiet in operation. So I say it's quieter than the majority of the DA polishers that I've been using in my career, and certainly it's the performance that is pretty amazing. The backing plate itself is free spinning, as you can see here. So it also comes with a washer mod inside, and there's another spacer or washer included in the box. So let's see the contents of the box, by the way. So this is the MaxShine box. which by the way, MaxShine is the sponsor of this video. So a big shout out to the MaxShine team for sponsoring this video and making all of this possible. And by the way, MaxShine is going to change names soon to ShineMaster. So MaxShine, ShineMaster, both the same company. They have an amazing website. Again, if you want to check out their products, I'll leave the links in the description down below. So in this box, what do you get? Well, lots of cool things. First of all, you get a carrying bag for your polisher, so very well made. It comes with some handles and an extension strap too, if you want to strap it in. And that's included inside this bag, so very, very handy. So it's all included at that great price. Inside, you get the stainless steel washer mod that you can also add to other DA polishers if you want to mod them. So like we all know, it's very popular to do on Rupes LHR 15 polishers. Well, they include this spacer inside there. You get a D handle, so for the ones who want to add a handle grip for their polishers. I don't like to use these, but it's supplied anyways. So also in the box is this plastic bag. That's a frosted look, very, very nice. Inside you get the instruction manual, warranty card, and a bunch of tools. So you get the Allen key if you guys want to do some maintenance things on your polisher and go ahead and change up the backing plate. You get some spare nuts here. You also get some silicone grease. That's a very nice added touch. And you get some spare brushes as well for the motor if you ever need to do some maintenance, so that's pretty cool. And the other great thing about this product is that you get their warranty card. And look at this, it's a lifetime guarantee. So MaxShine really backs their products. If you ever get an issue with workmanship for the working life of the tool or faulty materials, well, you get a lifetime guarantee protection. So they're gonna repair or replace your defective tool without charge. Isn't that amazing? So you get this awesome warranty card. Thumbs up to MaxShine for that. So again, this is an amazing dual action polisher. So how did I discover this? Well, I first was watching Scott from Dallas Paint Correction and Brian from Apex Detail, two professional car detailers that are on YouTube who do very good videos, and they tested these machines and were absolutely amazed. Scott even said it's one of his favorite entry-level DA polisher, and it's such high performance that he can see even professionals use this. So when MaxShine approached me and wanted to know if they could sponsor one of my videos and have me check out their products, well, I was enthused because I knew this had to be good. So I've been testing this for the past couple of weeks now, and it is amazing. I mean, I've been used to the highest performance machines. Sky's the limit as far as price goes. I don't really mind that. I just look for the best. And this one at only $168 easily competes with those. And I mean, you can buy a few of these. They'll last you forever. You can have their 21mm version if you want the bigger throw, and the 15mm like this one, and you'll still come under the cost of one of those high-end machines. So there was Griot's Garage DA Action Polisher that I also used to recommend to beginners, but now this has to take my #1 spot, and it actually did in my 2018 Car Detailing Products Awards video that was posted recently on my channel. They took first place for the best entry-level polishers, so congrats to MaxShine, the Master N15 polisher. Let's have, again, a closer look here. So very, very well built. It's a great balanced design. Ergonomically speaking, you have this on your hand very easily. You also have this trigger here to activate it, and you have a trigger lock here, like most high-end polishers. Very well vented here on the sides. Very comfortable to hold, and again, it's the performance 900-watt motor. This will last all day, and it's backed by that lifetime guarantee, so why not? And they also have many accessories to support their DA polishers that I've also tested. So they have a range of polishing pads. So they have wool pads like these that attach directly, thanks to the foaming backing plate here, directly to the hook and loop system. And they have their foam pads, which I like a lot. So they have a system of 4 colors. So from the most coarse, the green one is their heavy cut, medium cut in blue. You have the polishing pad in yellow and the finishing or softest pad in white. So these all have this Velcro backing in the back, thanks to the hook and loop system. They have this hole in the center, so it makes it easy to align. It's a very plush and thick pad. So these are 5 inches. They also make 6-inch versions if you have the 21mm polisher. So pretty cool, and they're very effective. I did some polishing recently using them, and they work very, very well. They also have a huge range of quality microfiber towels that are at such a low price, it's insane. This very low pile and low GSM polishing towel that I like to use for ceramic coating removal. They have a glass towel that's pretty cool as well. For glass, this is very, very short nap and no fibers on there, so great for glass. They have these very, very thick and plush towels that remind me of some of my favorite, which are the Rag Company edgeless towels. So look how thick these are. So they're edgeless towels, so there's no edge on these. Laser cut, very, very well done, very plush, very thick. They also have a twisted loop drying towel like this one. I love twisted loop drying towels for vehicles because they're super efficient. So let's have a close-up of this one. Again, very, very well made with a soft silk edge here so it doesn't damage your paint when you're drying it. For those of you who like an even thicker and plusher towel for drying, they have this drying 1000, so 1000 GSM microfiber towel. I mean, look how thick and plush this is. It's absolutely nuts. And again, you guys are gonna be absolutely amazed by the price. They have many, many accessories and tools as well on their website. So for example, this drill attachment brush for carpets. They sent me this awesome detailing belt. So it's a tool belt that you have around your waist. You can put your polishes in here, so they're next to you all the time, or any spray bottle that you want. You can put your flashlights or inspection lights in here. You can put your brushes, if you want, in these pouches. So it's very, very comfortable. You can even put, there's a pouch here for your mobile phone, so for your cell phone. So super cool. So this detailing tool belt, you wear it around you, and you have the tools that you need with you at all times when you're doing some detail work. So again, guys, if you want a very high performance at a low price, I don't think you need to look any further than the MaxShine, the Master M15 15mm long throw DA polisher. Very safe, so beginners can use this. You will not burn through the paint because it's dual action. So it's a random orbit. This is very, very good. So even enthusiasts and professionals can use this because of the 900-watt motor, the ergonomics, the very smooth operation, pretty quiet motor. You get the lifetime guarantee. I mean, this thing will pay for itself after the first couple of cars that you actually detail. It's that inexpensive. They have all the other accessories and polishing pads as well, and microfiber towels. So they just do some awesome stuff. Again, I'll drop the links in the description down below for you guys to check them out. Once again, thank you to all of the MaxShine team for sponsoring this video. And I remind you that they'll eventually be called Shine Master. So I'll leave all their information in the description down below. So thanks to the team for sponsoring this video and making this possible. If you liked the video, guys, as usual, show me your support by smashing the thumbs up button. And if you want to continue to learn more about car detailing, so products, equipment, tips, tricks, and techniques, make sure you smash the subscribe button that's found under this video. And that way you'll subscribe to my channel and never miss my future videos. So guys, thanks for being there. Thanks for watching. And in the meantime, don't forget, keep it tight, keep it clean, and I'll see you guys on the next one.